Kory and Bethany, finally we come to this day. Jesus teaches us in today's gospel that the wise build their homes on rock, not on sand. So when the winds and the rains come, such as on a day like today, if the house is built on rock, it will remain standing. The Lord wants the two of you to build your house together on rock. Join hands and declare your consent before God and His church.
I, Kory, take you, Bethany, to be my wife.
I, Bethany, take you, Kory, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and honor you.
To love you and honor you.
All the days of my life.
The days of my life.
Please join me in congratulating our newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Kory and Bethany Brown.
I want to welcome everybody. Thank you for coming. December 9th, 1993, Mom and Dad got our princess. It's the fall of her senior year. It's football season. So it's halftime, and I head on down to the concession stand. I hear this, Dad, come here, I want you to meet somebody. And Bethany, before Kory can even open his mouth, she goes, Dad, Kory's the quarterback. Kory, one of the worries that a lot of dads have is when they're not around, they worry about who's going to take care of their little girl. I don't have to worry. I know you will.
When I say life just wouldn't be the same without the both of you together.
And I honestly don't remember when I met Bethany, probably because you and Kory have been dating for what feels like a million years.
When you told me you bought a ring, finally, I couldn't have been more excited knowing that you were my sisters happily ever after.